Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules on your beard. Vitamin E is a fantastic antioxidant, known for its benefits to skin and hair. Using it can help nourish your beard, making it softer and more manageable. First, ensure your beard is thoroughly clean and dry. This preparation step is crucial for the oil to penetrate effectively and deliver its full benefits. We want to maximize absorption for the best results. Now, let's get to the application. Take one vitamin E capsule and carefully snip off its very tip using clean scissors. Squeeze the rich, golden oil directly onto your fingertips. You'll usually get about 2 or 3 drops, which is plenty for most beards. Then, gently rub your palms together for a few seconds to slightly warm the oil. This helps with smoother application and better absorption into your beard. With the oil warmed, it's time to apply it to your beard. Begin by working the oil deeply into your beard, starting right from the roots and extending all the way to the tips. Don't forget the skin underneath your beard. It needs nourishment too. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes gently massaging the oil in. This not only helps with absorption, but also stimulates blood flow, promoting a healthier environment for beard growth. For the best results, aim to apply vitamin E oil to your beard 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key to unlocking its full potential. With regular use, you'll notice your beard becoming significantly softer, shinier, and much healthier in appearance. It also works wonders in reducing frizz and can provide great relief for dry or irritated skin beneath your beard. Enjoy your revitalized, magnificent beard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.